Welcome to the first lesson of business studies. The first lesson of business studies is what is business. This is unit 1, lesson 1. ඉතින් පුතේ අද අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ business එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියන එක. As you all can see in this slide, a business can be defined as all activities related to selling, distribution and production of goods and services with a profit motive in order to satisfy human needs and wants. There also exist businesses that are carried out to fulfill the needs and wants of human beings without an objective of earning profits. So these businesses can be divided into two main parts according to the above definition: profit motive and non-profit motive. Profit motive businesses are the private businesses such as John Keel's companies, Richard and Sons, and there are many other private businesses. Non-profit motive businesses are cooperatives, urban councils, government organizations such as schools and hospitals where they provide free services for the students and patients comes under non-profit motive businesses. So you have to keep in mind the keywords. If they ask what is a business, you should answer by saying all activities related to production of goods, distribution of goods, selling of goods and services with a profit motive or non-profit motive in order to satisfy human needs and wants. Moving into the next slide. This discuss about business can be introduced as any economic activity carried out to fulfill the needs and wants of human beings. So you will wonder, what are these economic activities? Economic activities means all the human activities which are undertaken to earn a living. If you do something, you will earn a salary. So if someone go and work as a clerk in an office, he will be getting a salary. If a doctor go into a hospital and work there, he will get a salary. So with this salary, he can buy goods and services in order to satisfy his human needs and wants. So that is what is known as economic activities. But the non-economic activities are different from economic activities. Non-economic activities means all the human activities which are undertaken to meet personal, social or religious obligations. Here, no one will pay you a salary or no one will pay you cash when you are doing any work. For an example, if you are a housewife, if there's a housewife who is washing clothes and preparing meals, she will not be paid for what she does. She does it in order to meet her personal obligations. No. So those are known as non-economic activities, පුතේ. හරිද? දැන් අපි කතා කරා බිස්නස් එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියන එක. එතකොට දැන් තවත් විදිහකට කියනවා නම් බිස්නස් එකක් කියන්නේ ඕනෙම ඉකොනොමික් ඇක්ටිවිටි එකක්. ඔයගලන් කරන ඔයගලන්ගේ අවශ්‍යතා සපුරා ගන්න කරන ඕනෙම ඉකොනොමික් ඇක්ටිවිටි එකකට අපි බිස්නස් කියලා කියනවා. ඉතින් ඉකොනොමික් ඇක්ටිවිටි එකක් කියන්නේ පුතේ ඔයගලන් වැඩ කරලා ඔයගලන්ට සල්ලි හම්බ වෙනවා නම් එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයගලන්ගේ අවශ්‍යතා සපුරා ගන්න පුළුවන් නම් ඒ දේවල් වලින් අපි ඉකොනොමික් ඇක්ටිවිටි එකක් කියලා කියනවා. උදාහරණයක් විදිහට ඔයගලන් ගිහිල්ලා ඔෆිස් එකක වැඩ කරලා ඔයගලන්ට පඩියක් හම්බ වෙනවා නම් ඒ පඩියෙන් ඔයගලන්ට භාණ්ඩ සහ සේවාවන් මිලදී ගන්න පුළුවන් නම් ඔයගලන්ගේ අවශ්‍යතා සපුරා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් මේ දේවල් වලට අපි කියනවා ඉකොනොමික් ඇක්ටිවිටි කියලා. non-economic activity කියන්නේ ඔයගලන් දැන් හිතන්නකෝ ගෙදර ගෘහණියක් නම් ගෙදර housewife කෙනෙක් නම් ඒ කෙනා ගෙදර වැඩ ටික කරනවට කවුරුත් ගෙවන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයගලන්ගේ අම්මා ගෙදර වැඩ කරනවට කවුරුත් එයාට පඩියක් ගෙවන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් මේ දේවල් අපි කරන්නේ අපේ personal, social, religious obligations වලට. ඒකට අපි කියනවා non-economic activity කියලා. මම හිතනවා පුතාලට අද පාඩම හොඳට තේරෙන්නේ නැති කියලා. I think you all can understand what I said today. So Today we learned what a business is, and now you know what are economic activities and what are the main two types of businesses that we can classify according to the given definition. So I hope you all understood, and thank you very much for joining with me. Thank you.